When it comes to visual design, choosing the right AI tool can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving into RunwayML versus Canva to see which of these tools is truly better for creating stunning visuals. Stick around, because I'll also share an alternative that I believe could be the game changer for your design needs. Let's start with RunwayML. It's a powerhouse for those looking for cutting-edge creative features. Built around artificial intelligence, RunwayML lets you integrate models like GPT-3 and Stable Diffusion, which open up endless possibilities for generating visuals, videos, and even text-based designs. The AI is robust, and the user interface is fairly intuitive, so it's not just for tech-savvy designers. It's accessible to all levels. But here's the catch: the complexity of its tools might be overwhelming for beginners. Next thing we need to talk about is Canva. Known for being beginner-friendly, Canva has come a long way by integrating AI-powered features, especially for people who need to create high-quality visuals quickly. With Canva, you can make professional-looking designs, whether it's for social media, presentations, or marketing materials. The AI aspect comes in with smart tools like background remover, design suggestions, and even its ability to generate copy for your visuals. However, the downside is that it's not quite as deep or customizable as RunwayML. You won't be generating AI-powered videos or complex multimedia designs on Canva anytime soon. The third thing worth noting is the pricing. Both platforms have free versions, but RunwayML can get pricey, especially when you want to unlock all the powerful AI tools. On the flip side, Canva offers a solid free plan that might cover most users' needs, but its premium features come at a cost too. So, if you're just looking for a simple design tool and aren't diving deep into AI-generated content, Canva might be the better bang for your buck. Next, let's talk about usability. Canva wins hands down when it comes to ease of use. Its drag-and-drop interface and template library make it extremely simple to put together a design in just minutes. On the other hand, RunwayML's interface feels like it's designed for creators who are willing to spend some time learning how to use all the AI features effectively. The learning curve can be steep, especially for people who are new to design or AI tools. The fifth thing to consider is customization. RunwayML really shines here because of its ability to work with multiple models and integrations, allowing for a level of customization that Canva just doesn't match. If you're serious about creating AI-driven visuals with deep personalization, RunwayML is where you'll get that flexibility. Canva, while offering a lot of templates and smart design tools, doesn't quite allow for the same creative freedom. Now, let's talk performance and output quality. RunwayML is definitely the choice for high-end projects that require top-tier results. Whether you're making a video, interactive design, or generating AI art, the quality is excellent, and the AI features are advanced. Canva's output quality is solid too, but more suited for day-to-day marketing and personal use. It's not going to give you the same high-level creative freedom or video production capabilities as RunwayML. At this point, you might be wondering, which is the better tool for your needs? Well, both are great. But I'd say RunwayML is best if you're looking for something truly advanced and you're willing to put in the effort to learn it. For the everyday user who just wants to make eye-catching visuals without a lot of technical hassle, Canva is probably the way to go. But after trying both, I found something that offers the best of both worlds, an alternative that's easier to use and more powerful when it comes to AI-driven design. If you want a tool that gives you powerful visual design capabilities, but without the learning curve of RunwayML or the limitations of Canva, check out the link in the description for a free trial to the best platform I've discovered. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your design game. So, whether you're looking for powerful AI features or something simple for quick visuals, both RunwayML and Canva have their place in the design world. But if you want to push your creative limits with ease, make sure to try out the platform I'm recommending. Trust me, you won't regret it.